Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. Thank Honorable Vagalambure for the question. He's a former Assistant Minister for Immigration and understands the connection of the work that we do at immigration with economic prosperity and also the connection to upholding our security at our borders. Uh, and, and, and the need to be efficient when we process our visas and permit because of that reason. Not only fast, but making sure that security is not compromised in the process. Just for maybe a refresher, visa is simply it gives you a person the mobility right to travel from wherever they are to Fiji and enter the country. There are 80 countries in the world that require pre-entry visas to Fiji out of the 195 countries. Permit really authorizes a person to conduct an activity and reside in Fiji. So you can have a permit to work and reside, to study and reside, to invest and reside in Fiji. And this is the two visa and permits are services that the ministry conducts for non-citizens. And the services that we conduct for Fiji citizens are mainly around the issuing of passports. For visas, Madam Deputy Speaker, we set a standard time of 14 days from the date of payment to when they receive the feedback from us. One of the systems that was introduced in 2024 was the DMS, document management system. And now the visa system has been migrated to this system. It is now much faster. It can even be turned around in a day if everything, the documents that are provided are in order. That's for visa. For permits, the processing time from the date of payment of the fee is 21 days. And we try as much as we can to be within that time frame. In some cases, we take a little bit longer. If documents are not in order and we go back and forth with the applicants, in some cases, it's much faster if everything is provided on time. I was just Googling Australia. Australia, the shortest time frame for any visa is 1 to 3 months. And for work visa for skilled personnel is about 18 months. We try and do it in 21 days. And we try all the time to be efficient. We know how important it is to the companies here in Fiji that want to employ foreigners to come over and work. Thank you, Madam Deputy.